Tell if Python is in interactive mode. In a Python script, is there any way to tell if the interpreter is in interactive mode? This would be useful so that, for instance, when you run an interactive Python session and import a module, slightly different code is executed. For example, logging is turned off. I've looked at tell whether Python is in I mode and tried the code there. However, that function only returns true if Python has been invoked with the I flag and not when the command used to invoke interactive mode is Python with no arguments. What I mean is something like this.
Underscore main underscore dot underscore file underscore doesn't exist in the interactive interpreter. This also goes for code run via Python C, but not Python M.
I compared all the methods I found and made a table of results. The best one seems to be this. If anyone has other scenarios that might differ, comment and I'll add it.
sys.ps1 and sys.ps2 are only defined in interactive mode.
Use sys.flags.